this video, I'm going to show you how to install JavaScript in Visual Studio Code. So if you want to start running your JavaScript commands, you need to make sure you first have JavaScript installed. So to do this, we'll need to open up an internet browser. In the search box, type in Node.js and press enter. Click on the top website, which is Node.js.org, and click on the green Get Node button. You can then scroll down and click on your operating system, so mine's Windows. Click on your Downloads folder and open up the installation file. We can now go through the steps by clicking on Next, agree to the terms and conditions, and click on Next. You can click on Next again, press Next, and click on Install. Now once it's finished installing, you'll need to go and close down Visual Studio Code. Once Visual Studio is completely shut down, you can open up the Start menu and you can go and reopen the application. Now to make sure JavaScript's installed, click on Terminal and click on New Terminal. You then need to type in node -v and press enter. If you see a series of numbers, it means JavaScript has now been installed, and now you can go and run your JavaScript commands.